Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Persuasive test for innovation. Indonesia has forests that are rich in diverse population types, but over time Indonesia has become the most threatened forest in the world. The erosion of forests due to illegal logging is the main factor, with an estimated 17 and 75% on the wood harvest being illegally logging. From an economic perspective, illegal logging has reduced the state income and foreign exchange, and it is estimated that state loss reaches 13 trillion per year. On the other hand, illegal logging can result in a lack of water absorption, which can result in flood and landslide. The impact of illegal logging include loss of soil fertility cause the soil to absorb too much sunlight to that it become very dry and arid. So the nutrition in the soil easily evaporate. In addition, rain can wash away nutritional remains from the soil. Therefore, when the soil has lost a lot of nutrition, reforestation becomes difficult and cultivation on that land becomes impossible. The decline in water resources is also part of the impact of illegal logging, because trees contribute greatly to maintaining the water cycle through tree root absorbing water, which is then transferred to leaves, then evaporate and is released into the atmosphere. When trees are cut down and the area becomes barren, there is nothing left to help the soil absorb more water, thereby ultimately causing a decline in water resource. The extinction of biodiversity, even though tropical forests only cover 6% of the Earth's surface, around 80 into 90% of the species exist in them. As a result of massive illegal logging, around 100 animal species are declining every day, and biodiversity from various regions is being lost on a large scale. This results in flooding because the forest, which functions as a water absorber, cannot absorb and store large amounts of water when heavy rain occurs. Forest area in Indonesia are starting to decrease. This is caused by irresponsibility illegal logging. Deforestation should be balanced with replanting reforestation, so that there is a balance in the ecosystem. We as the nation next generation must speak out about deforestation accompanied by replanting. Let us make the best use of forest area without destroying them. Let us prevent illegal logging in order to minimize the potential for nature disasters. Regreen Indonesia forests. Make Indonesia forest the log of the world. Okay, thank you.